Welcome the newest business owner. You see what I mean? My alarm went off the minute I was about to start the vlog. Good morning, my cities. Good morning. It's been a while, and I know, y'all, forgive me. I am honestly and truly trying to figure out a strategy that would allow me to be consistent on YouTube at least once a week. I guess where I got confused and where I got overwhelmed is I'm really not sure what you guys want to see. Sometimes I post nursing content, you guys watch it. Sometimes you guys don't. Sometimes I post the vlogs, you guys watch it. Sometimes you guys don't. Going through these roller coasters of views sometimes affects how creators create. Needs to say, I will continue to create as much as I can, and I have a plan for my vlogs, and I'll talk to you guys about that in a second. But in case you're new to my channel, my name is Sugar. I post nursing, fashion, and lifestyle content, and today I am vlogging. I'm not sure if this is gonna be like a weekly vlog or a daily vlog. By the end of the day, I'll be able to decide if I want to continue on tomorrow. My plan with my YouTube is to do more sorted content. There's no reason for me to actually come on here when I'm stressed. I mean, there are exceptions to the rule, but in reality, I shouldn't be vlogging under duress, because a lot of people watch vlogs when they are going through their own things, and you all watch vlogs to relax, to catch up with your creators. I think watching them going through a whole lot can add to you guys' to whatever you guys have going on. I remember like my old vlog, not old vlogs, but like most of the vlogs that I make last year, you will always commend me on how you guys just love how smooth and how easy it looks on the eye. So that's what I'm trying to get back to. Anyways, good morning. Today's September 2nd, Thursday, and it is currently 7:57 a.m. I do have a coaching session at if you guys are not aware, I do coach pre-nursing, aspiring, and current nursing student, and new nurse grad. Anything that has to do with nursing, I coach people, and I have a one-on-one session at 8 o'clock. So I have 3 minutes to set up. And speaking of setup, I am setting up my oh my god, I'm setting up my office area. We have a whole lot to catch up on, you guys. That is my office. Can you guys see? But yeah, I went to IKEA like last week, and I bought a bunch of stuff. I didn't show you guys because I wasn't vlogging. And you guys, my beautiful couch, can you guys see that, also came in. There's so much to catch up on. Honestly, I do have a gist for you guys as well, because I was supposed to have a meeting at 7:30 this morning, and I hope I remember to tell you guys about it. But let's set up for my one-on-one session. Once I'm done with my one-on-one session, I will catch you guys up to speed with what's going on with my life, with the apartment, and things that we're about to do in this vlog as well.
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window.
Hey guys, I am done with my one-on-one coaching. Went really well. We did go over time a little. You guys, I put my jean a little bit up just because it's too long and I'm walking around in the house. I don't want to trip on myself, so ignore that. Let me do like a little living room update for you guys. Okay, there's so much coming in. I ordered like a love seat. The color of the love seat that I bought is almost like the color of this throw pillow. Is that what you call it? Yeah. So my super expensive bougie couch arrived. And I say super expensive because this couch don't cost me over $2,000. All right, it's from CB2 in case you're wondering. Okay, so that's the couch. That's my man's slide, so ignore that. Okay, so I put up a whole lot of pillows up here, and these are just white and gray, and then I put a pink pillow just because when my other love seat arrives, it's gonna be sitting right here, and it's gonna be the same color as that. And I hope this is, you know, not too bright for you guys to see. Another thing that I wanted to do as well is I will be adding like a plant right here, okay, and also I'll be changing out my coffee table right over there, and then my living room will be set. Did I tell you guys that I also have this little basket right here, okay? This is for my my throws, my blanket in the living room, because I have about 6 of them and I'm tired of just laying them on my couch. And my couch is super bougie and I just want it to show, right? I'm tired of covering a piece of my couch with some garden blanket. So that's my apartment update for right now. I haven't really seen a coffee table that I like, but I will definitely buy one this week. And also I will be buying a whole lot of things for my office. So we're definitely gonna do like an office accessories unboxing, or probably my next vlog. So I'm trying to write a to-do list, things I want to do today. So I'm gonna go compile my list, and then we're gonna get on with the vlog for today. Oh my god, you guys, oh my god, how stupid can I be? I forgot to tell you guys that I'm officially a business owner. I officially registered my business, and I'm in the process of doing a whole lot of things, including setting up a business account, which I'm about to go do today. Okay, that's one of the things that we're gonna do. But they asked me for a business email, and so stupid of me, I'd not even, you know, created a business email. So I'm gonna go ahead and create my business email. I'm so excited. I'm taking really sign up for email, sign up for Google email. Okay, so I'm about to sign up my business email. Once I'm done, we're gonna go get business account open. I need to print out a whole lot of things. I do have a printer. Oh, maybe I should just print from home because I do have a printer, but I'm not sure if I have, what do you call that thing? Ink in my printer. I'm gonna figure that out. So we're gonna step out in a second, guys. Oof. Okay, I am done. I've had breakfast. I also have a one-on-one coaching session at 4 p.m. So it is currently 1:30 p.m. and I changed my outfit, by the way. I went for a more relaxed look. I'm gonna have this in my Dior bag. I'm wearing like a Gucci slippers. You know, I just don't feel like wearing all that, like the jean, and like that was a little too much for me. And I'm having a headache as well, so I really just want to go now. We might end up going to CB2 or not, depending on the time. So I'm hoping by 2:30, 3:30, I'm done at the bank, because I have to go to Capital One to withdraw money. That way I can put money in the business account that I'm about to open in another bank. So that I'll look to see what the time is looking like, but I have to be back home by 3:30 to relax and get ready for my coaching session. And maybe after the coaching session I'll go back out and go to CB2. Let me see what time CB2 closes, because it really just depends on when they close. Let's see, CB2 near me. Oh, good, 8 p.m. Good. That literally makes me feel good. So we can still go back after my one-on-one session. We can go back out and, you know, go look for things to buy in CB2. I love that. So the plan for the day, you know, relaxed look. Let's do OOTD. Okay, from the mirror right there you can see just a relaxed look, a straight jean with like a oversized t-shirt. I just got it from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm gonna just run to the bank, open the account, come back home. If I can have like an hour or two of nap, or maybe not an hour, like 30 minutes of nap, I really appreciate that, because I didn't get enough sleep throughout the night. And then I'll do my one-on-one session, and then we'll go back out to CB2. And then let's just hope that I have everything they need for me to open a business account, because I'm not sure what I need. This is me just doing everything by myself with things that I read on the internet, so I'm hoping that what I have is enough. So I'm gonna go print out all the document that I need, and then we're gonna head to back. Welcome the newest business owner. You see what I mean?
There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down.
Just finished my one-on-one session. You guys, my session, I'm always going over time. We need to do something about that. I'm always going over time, and I think it's just really good because it shows that we're having good conversations. But anyways, let's add to CB2.
Pretty ladies don't count. Y'all know who to get out, who to get out. When I'm in the mood for a babe, when I'm in the mood for a babe, oh, she makes one out. Yeah, she makes one out, 'cause she takes one out of me. If you tell me how you like it, we can go far. So far, so good. Ooh, 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 it tastes like milk. It tastes like sauce. Yeah, oh, and the ocean smells like going on. Shit, I just can't stop talking. But meanwhile,
You guys might be wondering, what's happening? You guys, when I got home yesterday, I'm talking pounding headaches. So I had to like sleep right away when I got home yesterday. I woke up in the middle of the night at around 2 a.m. And by the way, it is 12:27 the following day, 12:27 p.m. and I haven't slept since I woke up 2 a.m. in the morning. But I was gonna say I woke up still having a headache. I just went to the restroom, grabbed some scissors, cut off the entire hair, and took it down. So that's why I have like a wig on right now. I do have a coaching session in a few hours. But yeah, you guys, you guys remember yesterday I told you guys I may set up my office. I will be setting up my office, but I got up to something. And also I will do like a mini haul of what I got from CB2. But let me show you guys my office real quick. Well, we're gonna do like an official tour. You guys know what that is. But just for reference, desktop, laptop, the table that I showed you guys yesterday, my chair right here, and I have a mirror over here. Okay, obviously once everything is well decorated, we will do like an official tour of the entire apartment, the office as well. In case you're not aware, I'm currently writing a nursing school study guide, and I'm currently on the electrolyte imbalances portion of it. I don't know if you guys can see just because of the brightness, but yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen a little snippet of the book. I'm super excited about that, which is one of the reasons why I'm super busy. But like I said, I will make it an assignment to show up on what you might call the YouTube at least once every week. But I like this setup. It's really beautiful. I feel like filming for me will be a little bit easier. Literally, I can do like a sit down video right here, right? Talk about anything, have something really cool playing on my desktop, good lighting, and speak to you guys. So this is good. So I will do time lapse. So should I do time lapse? I'll just show you what I got. I actually got 3 things from CB2. Everything came up to like $400. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Let me show you the first piece. The first piece, Ask Me Sugar. where are you gonna put this? I have no idea, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put it on my whatchamacallit island once everything is well settled, because right now everything is still displaced. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is beautiful. This will work really good on the island. I like that it is. I like the color. Just look at the color for yourself. This is so beautiful. And I bought like a pampas grass that I'm gonna put on inside of it. Let me show you guys. I almost tricked. I picked up this pink false pampas grass. So my plan is I'm gonna like fold it just like this, okay, and put it inside just like that. And there you go. There you go. Isn't this beautiful? Ooh, this is beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna put this on my island once everything is cleared out, because right now that space is going through some major chaos, but this is what it's gonna look like. I love it. Like I said, I am into white and pink right now, and it's so weird, like I'm too grown to be liking pink at this point, but not like bright pink. I mean this type of pink, like peach, just to add a touch of color, because sometimes I feel like my apartment is too white and I need a touch of color, and that's what I'm feeling right now. Well, 2-3 months down the line, I may have a change of mind, but for right now, I love this. Speaking of pink, you guys will be surprised at the next thing. Let me show you guys. Let me show y'all. Look what I got. I don't know if you guys can tell how tall this is, but this is a pampas grass. Oh, I don't know if you guys can tell how tall it is, but I'm gonna put it right here, okay? And I have a base for it. So my initial plan was to put it somewhere next to my mirror in the living room area, but because my love seat, well, I don't want to put anything there until the love seat that I bought, I told you guys that yesterday, until that arrives. I don't want to put anything in that space, because I don't want everything to be jam-packed and look overwhelming. So since this place is looking a little bit sort of empty, I'm thinking this would be a perfect spot for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the vase or the pot for it, unbox it for you guys, and place this pampas grass inside of it, and you guys tell me if you think it makes sense or not. But regardless of what you guys say, it's gonna be there.
I'm in the ward with the baby. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I taste like whiskey. I taste like ashes of black coffee. I was naughty, then she caught me. Now she missed me. Yada yada yada. I don't wanna bore you. I wanna bore into your
Brand new. Ooh, you guys, look at that. Well, look at that. Could you imagine me making like a sit-down video like this? This is right here. Like, this is a perfect setup for a video, right? And I ain't even done yet. This is just a little something. But let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. In my next vlog, I'll show you guys where I intended to put this before, but I feel like this is perfect right here, given the fact that the entire wall is sort of like empty, right? This is perfect. So I'm gonna put something on the wall right here. I want to be able to display things that are really meaningful to me behind my back, just in case I'm doing like one-on-one classes, or you know, filming YouTube video or anything like that. But I love this already. I'm loving this setup already. We have come to the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. A day in my life. This is actually a day in my life vlog, okay? You see, like I said, I will try to show up. Might not be as much as I used to, but I know you guys miss my face, and I miss you guys a whole lot, and I just want you guys to catch up with me on YouTube, like something different from my nursing content and on all of my other social media platforms. Anyways, thank you for hanging out with me. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do all of that good stuff. I will catch you guys next time on My Life as Sugar. Bye.